Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you so how to connect your iPad mini to your iMac. So for doing that you just need this cable, so let's just connect it. So now we just need to connect it to iPad. So let's now just wait until our computer will recognize it. Let's just open iTunes. So for now you just need to wait until it will connect your iPad with your computer and you will be able for using that. So for now we just need to trust on iPad. And for now you can also find it here, your iPad. So now you just need to tap on next, start working, and here you can also see your iPad. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.